So on my trip to Las Vegas, I had to travel to the Hoover Dam, and it's about 30 miles to the southeast or so. It's not a super long drive. It's one of the few non casino related things to do that you would probably really enjoy in Nevada. It's just not a whole lot going on in the Las Vegas metro if you're not into gambling and partying and stuff. I mean, they have other stuff to do, don't get it twisted, but as far as stuff that's unique to the Las Vegas area, I think this is one of the most unique excursions that you will probably find anywhere in the country. And it did not disappoint. It was a very beautiful drive. I love the mountains, and coming from California on this trip, LA is like 4 hours away. It's amazing how the mountains just change. It's all mountain in Southern California and, of course, Nevada, Southern Nevada. But the mountains in Southern Nevada look a good bit different than the ones in, Southern California. But without further ado, I'll be quiet. But it was a beautiful drive, and the engineering that they had to, pull off to get that road through the mountains is nothing short of amazing.